Okay, guys, this is Mcnicks once again, and this is a continuation of our latest gold forecast for the weekly forecast, and then I give a short signal upon opening of the market Monday today. Then it is a 4 hours, but it's a part of, as I've said, the long-term bias is downtrend. You can check my previous video, but I think I'll give and so that this is a bonus for my subscribers or followers. Check my Mcnicks given signals if it will coincide with the actual scenario. Okay, guys. So my previous signal given is in a 4 hours time frame, but today, this afternoon in Philippine time, since I'm already underway at sea on voyage, so that's why the interconnection is lost. Then, but so I have time to spend some hours or time to make some update for this. As I've said, this is part of the correction. This month of July is correction. There are some downtrend, but you have to consider the correction. Okay, guys, I will not make this long video, but this is only a part of continuation. Okay, since I gave 4 hours time frame, but I will consider this continuation back to the, as I've said, weekly analysis. Okay, so that it will, as I've said, the 4 hours today, I gave 4 hours 4 hours signal when the Sydney open Philippine time. That's 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. Then Asian, then London. So today the volume is not ideal to trade because of the low volume, but based on the market structure, I can make some explanation that it was 4 hours, but I will guarantee that it will correct upward. That's part of correction, but it is gradual price movement. But I do believe that this week, this is a very I will not entice or lure you to follow what I've said, but make this analysis as additional reference for your research. Okay, in your research. So for me, since the movement, if you shift or if you shift the time frame to weekly time frame, the movement of the gold is just like that, downtrend, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then downtrend again. I will redraw this one, the clear illustration, so clear reference. Okay, so this is this was the scenario. In weekly, this is the long week liquidity. So this is the group of sellers. Sellers dominant on this area level. Then another big bearish candle weekly, another big bearish candle again, with long wick buyers trying to bring the prices up, then close bullish, then another bullish candle. This is a weekly, another bearish. So this is the candles formation. So another week, 1 week bearish, then again rejection, then a doji, then again a very big long bull bearish candle, then again there's some bullishness here, then another bullish, another doji, then another bullish, but 50% is bearish, then another bearish volume, then this one, then the last one is last week is this one. then rejection. So this is the gold weekly. It's a weekly time frame, weekly chart. So 1 week, so three bearish weekly candles, but the last price, if we will put in the hourly so that we can check the that is the price of that is, I think, around 1785. So 1785. So 1785. This is the lowest price of this when the rejection happened for this month of July. Okay. Hourly. This is hourly. So that's month of July. Back to weekly. So now, guys, this is the scenario of the weekly chart. So it could, I will give this is make this a reference. I will not entice you once again that follow, but ensure that you will make this as part of your reference. Then try to compare based on your own research and the other forecaster, this metal, if it will concur with their analysis. But since this is a weekly chart, the current, this is a very, I will give this as a signal, maybe if you will concur with my analysis. But I think this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 bullishness, and then including this the doji candle. This level here, for me, this is already a level of strong weekly. This is a strong weekly. This is a strong weekly support. So this is a strong weekly support wherein in 1 week this level can hold these prices and bring these prices up until I will give this this is only you have to consider this level. We'll make some adjustment and allowance. 1918. 1918, guys. For me, I think 1918. If these prices will hit this level and then drop again, you can set this as your TP. As I've said, this is a Mcnicks promotional for this. I hope that those who are engaging in this trading with this metal, once again, I will not say that I will not encourage you to follow what I've said, but be observant. 1918 in the weekly, we can set this in 1918. Since I said that this weekly support is strong level that can manage to bring these prices at that height. Maybe there are some correction while going up, just like that. But I have a feeling that before this will make some massive downtrend again, it will hit first this resistance level. I hope that based on my secret weapon, based on my tools, the one I promulgated, currently this 1 weekly bearish candle, I know that why the prices is gradually going upward, because here in this level, this is a consolidation of the weekly. This is a consolidation of the 50 EMA. As you've observed, guys, it is almost straight line Since this is a weekly consolidation, there are only some time that it will move, but it will be temporary halt with this resistance. So in the weekly time frame, this 60 EMA, a dynamic resistance, is trying to hold this weekly, but since the weekly we have already this level, I think almost currently almost 50% above, higher, more than 50% is already, this is the group of the buyers. They're trying to bring, as I've read I have already read some of the analysts that it will explode. Maybe this is the one that is, but I am confident that it will not pierce through this. This zone of resistance is very thick. Maybe since this is in supply and demand, this is the demand zone for this weekly. But I think it is not strong enough because here in these levels, guys, this zone, this thick resistance zone is the one. It is thicker than this demand. The supply is thicker than this demand. And this level of resistance is not in the weekly time frame. It is not because this demand is, the accumulated demand is not enough to bring the prices breaking this level of resistance. That's why prices begin to drop deeper, and there is a potential that this demand will be broken. Then again, as I've said, review my previous video clips regarding the topic, the title, is it time to invest or question mark? Then check the video. Since this level, the 1918 will be the strong level of resistance that this correction will be bring back these prices down, and then breaking potential that this support will be broken in another level. And then again, until those, as I've said, this is the only thick demand that might be the potential point of interest. Guys, I am not Nostradamus, but based on my analysis, based on my tools, based on the indicators that pointing on that direction, but currently in the weekly strong consolidation, the 50 EMA is the one blocking this upward prices, and then it will be broken, but this thicker one is very strong level compared to this demand. Because for me, this strong level, this accumulated, the imbalance of prices, I will consider that area is the fair value. So fair value, meaning we're in this consolidation zone, it's very hard for this upward momentum to break this thick resistance. That's why these prices will drop again, breaking this support. So every now and then, Mcnicks will give weekly analysis, then a daily updates. But today I gave the 1918 potential strong level of resistance that will bring these prices back to downtrend. Okay, so I hope, guys, this continuation short video, only the return that I expect is your support for my channel. Subscribe, shares, and then I will broadcast if it's about time to invest or put your hard-earned capital, that it is about time to, there are no other hindrances, a big thick resistance that will subdue the upward prices. Okay, so that's all for today. 1918 is a potential weekly resistance recap that will bring the biases. This correction will be back to downtrend bias. And then monitor the previous video wherein those level wherein there some 10 support and then faker support, bringing this long-term downtrend bias, this metal to drop deeper. Okay, I am not lots of analysts there, but for me, make this a reference. Don't too much. Don't follow what I'm saying, but monitor. Make this as your reference. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that you will support Mcnicks channel. Thank you. God bless.